today is 12th of June and it's about 5 o'clock by the clock right now, and we are leaving for Nainital just now. Our cab is there. We hired a taxi because that is the most convenient way we could see right now. There is no sense to take your car there and getting stuck in traffic, because we have been seeing in news recently that there has been so much of traffic there because of huge number of tourists that have been coming there. So we thought of hiring a taxi. Now Google Maps shows that it will take us about 5 hours and 45 minutes to be precise to reach Nainital, but we are keeping some backup and we are thinking that it will take us about 7 hours or 7.5 hours. But now let's see how much time it will take us, because the news has been showing us that there is a lot of crowd outside the hill station. So let's see how it goes and I'll take you around. Bye bye. Currently taken stop at this place called Raja Haveli, and yeah, just a short stop. We are grabbing some coffee and tea and then we leave. The washrooms are very clean here, I must say, and they're also very pretty. And this is the view, and here is the coffee. It's really nice, and this place is also really pretty. I hope you can see it at the back. Raja Haveli is the name. So it's 7:18 to be precise right now, and हमें 2 घंटे हो गए हैं निकले हुए. The map still shows about 4 hours, but मैं मान के चल रही हूँ 5-5.5 घंटे में और भी लगेंगे. So let's see how it goes. We have taken another stop at this restaurant. I don't know what the name is. Oh yeah, the name is Maharaja Hotel, and just taking a quick stop. Nainital is still 63 kilometers away and it will take us good 2 hours to reach there, and if there is more traffic, even 3 hours it can take. So yeah, let's see. It's a long way to go still. Nainital is another 20 kilometers from here. Just took another short break and then we'll go directly to our hotel. Hi guys, so we just checked in our hotel. So this is basically KMVN, which is a government owned hotel. It's a government owned property. It's a really nice hotel. I would not say कि हमारे that वाले rooms थे वो सब booked है. Nainital is actually packed, but होटल से निकलते ही the view is actually really nice. I'll show it to you once I go out back. अभी हम थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करेंगे and then we'll see what we have to do. Although बाहर हमें इतना ट्रैफिक नहीं मिला, but they are asking if you have a hotel booked already, because नैनीताल में there is no parking and no hotels available. All the news में आ रहा था that there is a lot of chaos here. बट हमें उतना ट्रैफिक एटलीस्ट ऑन द आउटसाइड नहीं मिला. वील सी कि अंदर सिटी में कितना ट्रैफिक है, बट एज ऑफ नाउ इतना हमें कुछ बहुत क्योटिक नहीं लगा. इट्स मोर टूवर्ड्स कैंचीधाम जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक है. अदरवाइज हियर इट्स स्टिल फाइन इन टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रैफिक. अदरवाइज like the hotels and the parkings are still full, so you should keep that in mind if you're planning to come here right now, because June is the peak season. So it's 4 o'clock by the clock and we are thinking कि let's get up from the beds and go outside. हम लोग आते ही सो गए थे. We had lunch. We checked into our hotel. We had our lunch in the hotel itself and then we went to sleep because आज की जो जर्नी थी वो काफ़ी टायरिंग हो गई थी. सुबह हम 5 बजे ही निकले हुए हैं एंड हम सब रात को लेट भी सोए थे. सो वी थॉट लेट्स टेक अ ब्रेक बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो नॉट इन अ रश कि सब कुछ 2 दिन में एक्सप्लोर करना है. वी आर हियर फॉर 3 nights and 4 days, so we have ample number of days. So yeah, now we just got up. We took a 1 hour, 1.5 hour क्विक नैप एंड अभी हम रेडी होके जा रहे हैं मॉल रोड एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ इट आउटसाइड, क्योंकि जैसे ही हम आए थे यहाँ पे बारिश भी हुई थी विच वॉज ग्रेट एंड या लेट्स गो, लेट्स सी बोटिंग करते हैं नहीं करते हैं सारी चीज़ें. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली गेट रेडी एंड गो. This is the place we are staying at. View is so pretty. Currently at Naini Lake. This is the view. बाहर से एक्चुअली इतना भीड़ नहीं लग रही थी, बट यहाँ लेक में there are a lot of people. So yes, Nainital is quite crowded right now. जब हम अपने होटल से मॉल रोड तक जा रहे थे तो वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड था. पूरे रास्ते में सिर्फ गाड़ियाँ ही गाड़ियाँ थी. Hi guys, good morning. Today is day 2 in नैनीताल. तो कल का दिन बहुत इवेंटफुल रहा था. आई डिड नॉट रिकॉर्ड मच, लाइक आई डिड नॉट रिकॉर्ड मच ऑफ स्पीकिंग एंड मैं रात को बहुत थक गई थी तो आके आई डिड नॉट स्पीक एट ऑल विद यू गाइज. बट येस, हम लोगों ने कल पूरा मॉल रोड एक्सप्लोर किया एंड वी वेंट बोटिंग. नाउ बोटिंग इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस दैट एवरीवन शुड एब्सोल्युटली डू. एंड हम जिस एरिया में रह रहे हैं उस सुकताल कहते हैं. तो यहाँ से मॉल रोड इज़ अबाउट 4 किलोमीटर्स अवे, जो 15 मिनट्स की वॉक है. बट द थिंग इज़ कि इट्स अ वेरी स्टीप वॉक, तो बहुत ज़्यादा टायरिंग हो जाता है. जाते वक्त तो ऐसे नीचे की तरफ उतराई है, बट आते वक्त इट वॉज वेरी वेरी टायरिंग. सो आज का हमारा ये प्लान है दैट वी हैव हायर्ड अ कैब ड्राइवर एंड ही विल टेक अस टू ऑल 11 मेजर पॉइंट्स ऑफ नैनीताल, जो यहाँ के मस्ट विजिट है. तो उसमें हमारा आधा दिन चला जाएगा एंड देन इन द इवनिंग वील गो बैक टू मॉल रोड, बिकॉज आज हम ट्राई करेंगे कि हमें यहाँ का कुछ ऑथेंटिक क्यूजीन्स ट्राई करेंगे एंड कुछ मस्ट विजिट फूड प्लेसेस आज हम एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं. तो वो आज का प्लान है. टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्राउड, येस, इवनिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड था स्पेशली मॉल रोड पर. तो डेफिनेटली आप यहाँ आ रहे हो तो वो सारी चीज़ें माइंड में थोड़ा सा प्लान करके रखना, बिकॉज जून इज़ द पीक सीजन एंड देन जुलाई मिड से यहाँ पे बारिश शुरू हो जाती है. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा टूरिज्म कम हो जाता है, बट अप टिल जुलाई स्टार्टिंग आई वुड से यहाँ पे इतना क्राउड रहेगा. Hi guys, it's 10:47 by the clock right now. We all had our breakfast. हम लोग आज जल्दी उठ गए थे. We had our breakfast, but यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश आ रही थी. Just अभी 10 मिनट पहले बारिश रुकी है and I've changed my clothes and worn a hoodie because it's very cold outside. And now we are quickly heading outside before it starts to rain again, because यहाँ बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही थी and कोई सेंस नहीं बनता बाहर जाने का बारिश में. So we came back to our room after breakfast. We rested and now we are quickly rushing outside and I'll see you in a while. It is still drizzling actually, but still you can go outside उतना है and बहुत ठंडा मौसम हो गया. It's so beautiful right now. We are at this place called Woodland Waterfalls The entry ticket is 50 rupees per person and it's absolutely beautiful. Let me show you. Here is the waterfall. Absolutely beautiful, and it's just so calming and refreshing. It is drizzling a lot, but it is such a beautiful place. You'll have to climb. काफ़ी सारी आपको stairs climb करनी पड़ेगी, but let me show you the view from the top. Okay, so I'm at the top of the waterfall and this is the waterfall basically. So, I mean it's a one-time thing you can do because यहाँ नैनीताल में इतने सारे waterfalls नहीं है. If you want to come climb so many stairs for this, definitely come here. I mean it's a nice one-time experience. Maybe if you have old people with you, you might not want to visit here, but otherwise it's a nice place. One time के लिए ठीक है. Okay, so it's 1:22 by the clock and we are at this place called Sarita Tal. It's basically a mini lake on the way and it's a beautiful place. So we are visiting different places today. अब यहाँ पर you have multiple sport adventures activity. They have zip line, they have cycle, something like that, and they also have boating. So you can come and try that here. So it's fun. अभी we just ordered some Maggie. Finally our first Pahadi Maggie of this trip. And yeah. So we came to the botanical garden and उसी के अंदर ही एक बहुत beautiful सा insect and seed museum है. I mean it's a nice place to come with kids. Anyway, if you're visiting botanical garden, so you should make a note to visit here because यहाँ कोई भी नहीं है, like बहुत कम लोग हैं. But if you're coming with kids, you can come here. It's very interesting to see different kinds of moths and spiders and everything. So that is the fun part. Good morning, it's day 3 in Nainital and yeah, it will be our last day. Tomorrow morning we check out and we leave. So yeah, we're just exploring today. It's a very chill day. We are going to the zoo because my sister wants to go there, and then we are again going for a boating experience because it was such a beautiful thing to do, and then we will roam around for a bit. We don't want to keep it very hectic. And yeah, that's the plan for today. Yesterday was a very eventful day again. हम रात को I think 9:30-10 बजे ही hotel आए directly after dinner. And yeah, I have added all the places that I visited. One thing I would like to say is that if you're going to any kind of sunset point or any kind of selfie point, be very aware because वहाँ पे barricading वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है. So as a responsible citizen, you should be very careful. Even if you're going there for pictures, just keep in mind your safety first. Do prioritize yourself is what I would like to say. And let me take you along. 15th of June and we are leaving in another 20 minutes. Our cab is here and we are going back to Delhi. It was such a beautiful trip. It was such a calming trip. अभी भी सुबह यहाँ पे इतनी बारिश आ रही थी and it is still foggy outside. The clarity is not that good. But yeah, it is a beautiful place. I mean, I would love to come here again. Bye bye.